Saving and displaying data is a critical step for any app managing data. Lucky for us iOS developers, SwiftData makes these actions very simple. We'll showcase this in today's video. There are two places we can save titles in the app. The first is the download button in our home tab. That's a good place to start. Open home view. Make a new line after title detail path. Type @environment parentheses / model context var model context. This grabs our connection to SwiftData. With it, we can insert, delete, and save data anywhere in this view. Scroll down to our download button. Inside the braces, add model context .insert view model .hero title try ? Model context .save. Here we insert the hero title into SwiftData and then try to save it. Adding some kind of feedback would be a good idea, but this works for now. The second place we save is inside our title detail view. Let's navigate there. Make a new line after view model. @environment / .model context var model context. Before we write the save logic, it's important to think about how our API data is structured. The movie database API has both movies and TV shows. For movies, it uses the property title. As for TV shows, it uses the property name. That's why we include the title name computer property in this view. It checks which property isn't nil and returns it. With this in mind, we shouldn't save the title to our database as is. This can result in a database where the name can be in two places. When we try to sort, a nightmare can occur. A simple solution is to modify the data before saving it. Scroll down to the download button. Inside the braces, type let save title equals title. Save title .title equals title name. Model context .insert save title. Try ? Model context .save. By putting the title name in title, we make sure the title is in one place. It's odd to see that let was used instead of var here. Remember that title is now a class, not a struct. Let only locks the reference, but the properties inside are still mutable. Therefore, let is okay here. It's worth mentioning that this wasn't needed in the hero title save. That's because hero title will only show different movies. As we discussed, movies already have their name in title. The save feature is complete. Before testing, we need to display the data saved. Let's make the last file of this project with Command N. SwiftUI view, next, download view, create. After import SwiftUI, add import SwiftData. Make some space before the body. @query var saved titles : bracket title. This line tells SwiftData to fetch all the saved titles. It also updates the list automatically whenever the database changes. Inside the body, we can delete hello world, add a navigation stack, then a quick logic check. If save titles that is empty, text no downloads .padding .font .title3 .bold. It's a good idea to display some kind of message if the list is empty. That way, the user doesn't just see an empty screen. Add an else after the if statement. We'll reuse our vertical list view to display the saved titles. One more thing before we test, open content view. Replace download string with download view. Please update both your API keys for the movie database and the YouTube APIs in API config.json, press Command R to run. Our app is up and running. Navigate to download. The empty list message is showing correctly. Go back to the Home tab. Press download on the hero title. Back to download. And our title is showing. Because we reused the vertical list view, navigation is already included. Let's go back home and select the trending movie. Download that one. Back to download. All good. Everything is working so far. There are a few things left to do, like being able to delete, not allowing duplicates, and sorting. We'll tackle all that in the next video. Thank you for watching.